Alright, you're welcome back to this training. In this video I will show you how to use your voice for audio instead of just typing and allowing the AI to do the talking for you. You can actually use your voice. So here I want to remove this chat to make it faster. I'm going to remove this chat also. Then I'm going to add a new chat now. Okay, then I'll add I'm also going to remove this one. Okay, and now there are two on the street corner scene, so I've already chosen chat. So for this chat I'm going to add Doris. Okay, then I will say she's excited. I said the same way she was excited in the other video, super excited. But this time around I'm going to use my voice, so I'm not going to type. So for you to use your voice, what you need to do is to click on this network icon. Okay, this network icon, signal icon, is what you will use. So you click on it. Now you can see the volume and the pitch. The pitch is just the sound of your voice, to either reduce, make it deeper, or make it high, sound higher. So since they are both they are not both males, okay, even if they are both males, you could differentiate the voice. You can actually reduce this pitch to an extent for one, then when you want the other person to talk, you reduce it to the almost to the last. So there's going to be difference in the voices. Okay, but for now, since it's a girl, I'm going to increase the pitch a bit. Okay, it's going to sound higher. Okay, then the volume to I just reduce a bit. Okay, then I will now start talking. I will now start talking by clicking on the audio icon. So I will start now. So I'm not going, when I'm talking now, you will not be able to hear, because I'm using this audio, this thing. I'm using the microphone to record this video now, so it will not be out. But when I'm done, I will click on it and then I will check it, and you'll be able to hear what I was saying. So let's go. I'm going to click on this red icon, microphone icon, and start recording. Okay, so Doris has finished talking, so I'm going to add this audio by clicking on the check mark. Okay, then now I'm going to add another chat for Vince. Okay, so I'm going to add Vince. Click on no actor, then click on Vince. Then I'll say, okay, happy to see her, or I just say agreeing. Let's say agreeing this time around, agreeing. Okay, then I will now click on the pitch again, but this time around I'm going to reduce it because I want the voice to be lower than the girl's voice, so it will be deeper, and the volume too will be deeper. Okay, it will be lower, but let's see. Even if it's the same way, the most important thing is the pitch. Okay, so I'm going to start recording now. I'll click on the audio icon, then click on this red. Now I'm going to stop and I click to add it. Okay, all right, so Because of time, I don't want this video to be too long, but this is how you add audio. So let's play this video and see how it goes. Wow, Vince. Wow, Vince. I'm so happy to see you. You didn't even tell me we are coming. All the same, I'm glad you are here. So, how was your journey? Now is everything.
Audio icon started. Oh, I'm so sorry, Doris. I'm really sorry. I didn't tell you. I actually wanted it to be a surprise. So how you doing? I hope all is well. And how is your mom, your dad, your siblings? I hope everybody is fine.
Alright, so this is how you add your voice. Instead of typing, you can actually do this for the two characters, okay, just by reducing the pitch and all that. So this is where I'm going to end this video. I will see you in the next video.